this method is actually growing small content creators on YouTube here. Have you noticed that small content creators on YouTube are taking over? Have you seen how their subscribers are growing? Like, you will see somebody under 100 subscribers today, and tomorrow the person is already in 30 subscribers, in 20 subscribers, in 10 subscribers. Have you been wondering what that person has been doing in his or her channel that made the channel or is making the channel to grow as fast? So in today's video, I will be sharing with you this method that I noticed that small content creators have been applying and is making them to blow up on this YouTube street. Okay, so if this sounds like something you want to know, don't click out watch this video from the beginning to the end. Hi guys, welcome back again to Lisa Choma's channel. If you are new here, consider clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe. In this channel we talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel from scratch to the level you want to be. So number one thing I discovered and I learned that is blowing up small content creators on YouTube is discovering what people are eager to watch, what people want to know, what people want to hear, focusing on what they know that their viewers are interested on. For example, if you're in the niche of how to grow a YouTube channel, from your videos and comments, you're going to find out if your main viewers are small content creators or big content creators. Okay, so if your viewers are more of small content creators who want to grow or who are still growing, okay, you know that you will mostly be talking about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get watch hour. But that tells you that growing on YouTube is simple, is easy. The person is not saying the truth. Growing on this space on YouTube as a small content creator or somebody that just starts YouTube channel, you don't know anybody to put your video, to give you shout out, to share your video. Growing here is not easy. It is partially easy when you follow the right track. If you discover that your followers or people that are watching your video mostly are small content creators, what do? You talk about more on how to grow a YouTube channel. Okay, this is going to help them. So this is what I see that small content creators are doing. Okay, they follow trends and they also focus on what they know that their viewers are interested on. So if you're in another niche and you know that, okay, for example, you are vlogging, lifestyle vlogger, and you know that people like when you are cooking, people like your method of cooking, people like the way you cook, you focus more on cooking. Okay, if you notice that your viewers are interested in watching your kids, seeing when you dress your kids, how you get your kids ready to go to school, you focus more on it. And another thing is, you as a content creator that you know that nobody has known you, don't make your video too long. Yes, so people will also preach that making your video too long is going to give you watch hour, but I can bet you that if you make your video short, let's just say 8 minutes video, and if you're able to get a reasonable views from that, definitely your watch hour is going to increase. Okay, so let me tell you, me as a content creator who is trying to grow, if I come across 20 minutes video and I come across 8 minutes video, 7 minutes video, and they are talking the same thing, they are giving information about the same particular thing I'm looking for, I will first of all go for 8 minutes video and leaving that 20 minutes video. I can only watch that 20 minutes video if I know you very well, and I know that in that video I'm not going to be disappointed. Definitely I'm going to get information that I'm looking for from that video. But if I have not known you and you expect me to watch your 20 minutes video, it is a lie. I am not going to watch it, to be honest with you. And if I want to watch it, I can fast forward. You know what I mean? So you as a content creator who is trying, a small content creator who is trying to grow as fast as possible, and you want to get views, make your video short. Even when you want to talk, or maybe something you want to talk is something that requires 20 minutes video, it can shorten it. It can talk about it in here and section it part 1, then in your next video you put it part 2 or whatsoever. You can also talk it, say it again, or after making the first video, you tell your viewers that you're going to the next video, you're going to talk more on that. Okay, that is going to make them to watch. But you see that 20 minutes video, when you have not known on this YouTube streets, you are chasing your viewers away. Okay, so make your video as short as 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes. You will see people that want to get the information, they will be clicking. I can only watch big YouTubers that are not okay. I am not going to be disappointed, or information that I'm looking for, I'm going to get it from there. When you have 20 minutes video, I know that, okay, if I click on this video, I'm going to get the right information. But when I know that maybe if I click on your video, you are beating around the bush, I'm not getting the real information, and you make a video, 20 minutes video, that 20 minutes video only is going to discourage me on clicking on it. Okay, so another thing is eye-catching thumbnail. Make your thumbnail simple. Some people will write, carry different elements full on your thumbnails. It will take you time to read what this person is talking about. So make your thumbnail as simple as possible. Don't write plenty English on your thumbnail. Imagine when you start writing all the English that you're supposed to explain in your video in the thumbnail. I might not be patient enough to watch or to read what is in the thumbnail. So make text on your thumbnail as simple as possible, and also make it bold enough to attract people to click on. So this is what I have learned from small content creators, and guess what, they are blowing up. Their videos are going viral, and you see all these content creators that their videos are going viral here. They don't joke with descriptions, they don't joke with keywords, they don't joke with tags. Just after watching their video, go to their description box and look at the very strong description. Like they will explain, tell you everything that is going to happen in that video, and with strong keywords. You see, of which you know that some big YouTubers will overlook because they felt people have known them. Anything they put up, people are going to watch. But all these people, small content creators that are recently blowing up, going viral, the videos are recently going viral on YouTube, check their descriptions. They are giving well-defined descriptions, and they are giving searchable, good explanatory description, tags, and keywords. Check them, take your time, check them one after the other. You see how they're doing it. They're not putting anyhow description there. That will explain very well what your video is talking about, and also help YouTube algorithm to suggest your video to people that will be interested. Okay, so check it out. Take your time to check them. And another thing you will understand in all those people, those small content creators that are blowing up here, you will understand that when you watch their video is actually giving value. And when you watch your video, you always see that they always talk about research. That shows that these people are not just putting up anyhow videos. They take their time to make research before they make video and put up on YouTube channel. Because I know most of them that I am following, I don't want to mention name, okay? There will be a time when I will definitely mention names of those people that I have actually learned a lot from, and I will also mention their name, because honestly I am getting values from their video. When you watch their video, you see that they are giving value. So before you put on video, make research. In a cooking niche, make research. Don't just say I know how to cook. You just put up anyhow ingredients without knowing if that ingredient is okay, because you use it in your house, it work for you. You can also check if is what other people are using, or if that ingredient is also healthy for the meal you use it to prepare. Make research, do different research. Don't just come up, oh, I want to cook a salad soup, I'm going to use pepper, I'm going to use this, I'm going to use that because I did it, it's good. Yes, you can tell people that this is ingredients for salad soup, but I also tried this one and it worked for me. So you can as well give general ingredients for salad soup, then you list out what you also use that work for you. So somebody might want to try your own ingredient, or better still, use the general ingredients. Okay, this is what small channels are doing now. They make research. Like, if they actually tell you how much, I watched one live stream where somebody say that she spent more than 100,000 naira in subscription. 100k is about, I think, about $70, because the content creator watch various videos trying to get different information. Probably after doing the research, the person will put it into practice and see if it works. Then if it works, the person will now bring it up to his or her channel. So you see that they don't just come up and start making random video without doing research. So these are the things you should also put in place when you actually want to grow on YouTube. Another thing I learned that is also making small content creators to blow up on YouTube here is you can see that most of them find some trading videos that are not that competitive. Okay, they look for them and recreate. This is also making them to blow up. So what you're going to do for me today is that in your niche, look for 3 videos that are doing well but not that highly competitive, and they recreate, and also give me feedback how the video goes and how you succeed. See, let me tell you, as a content creator who is growing, make your videos. Another thing is being consistent. Okay, always show up on YouTube, make videos, good quality videos. If your video didn't pick up today, it might pick up tomorrow, it might pick up next tomorrow, it might pick up next year. Okay, just make sure you are showing up. Don't give up. I try to make quality videos every day. Make your video of today to be better than your video of yesterday, okay, and allow YouTube algorithm to do their work. Okay, so we all are going to make it here. Growing a YouTube channel is not an easy thing, but when you are consistent and learn every day and put in work, okay, you are going to get there. We are going to get there. So if you watch this video till this moment and you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, do want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to apply all this method that I just mentioned in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.